Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then click on Manage your Google account. Now you have to click on Data and Privacy and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and you have to check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. Now your account should be removed, so now let's check it by opening Google Play Store. And as you can see, my account is removed, so now let's click Sign In to recover my account. And now I have to enter my email address, then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And scroll down and click More. And now, as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.